Good day, good day. Customer states a 2015 Chevy Impala died on the road while driving. When it came in, the battery was dead. We charged the battery's okay. Then we test the alternator, come to find out that the alternator is faulty, which is actually down there. So we're gonna start by getting the alternator replaced. Also, I had to check engine light, and we're gonna get these camshaft solenoid adjusters replaced as well, along with an oil change. Let's go. So if you follow me, you know nothing but the best genuine parts. We're gonna get both of these solenoids installed. Okay, we have our solenoids installed. We have our alternator removed. You can see the factory alternator was a Denso. We went directly with an AC Delco, and Denso makes the alternators by AC Delco. Number genuine parts here. Simple alternator, let's get it bolted in. And she goes right there. All right, we have our new alternator installed. Let's get the belt on and get the air filter housing back in. All right, folks, we got this wrapped up. We are finished. Alternator is installed. Couple final touches, tighten up the screws, and we are set and ready to go. Thanks for watching.